So here you must be remembering that first is that most of the demographic concepts, it has two things. An example, birth rate, it's the number of live births in a particular area during a specific period of time divided by the total population of that area in thousands. So in other words, you can say that the birth rate is the number of live births per thousand population. And the death rate is what? The number of deaths per thousand population. So these statistics depend on the reporting of birth and death rate by families. इसके अलावा the rate of natural increase or the growth rate of population, that is the rate of natural increase or growth rate of population. It refers to what? It refers to the difference between the birth rate and the death rate. And when the difference between the birth rate and the death rate is zero, ठीक है, or if the difference is very small, then we can say that the population has stabilized or it has reached the replacement level. ठीक है, which is the rate of growth required for new generation to replace the older ones. And sometimes the society can experience negative growth rate. It means that their fertility levels are below the replacement level. And this is true for many countries in the world, that is Japan, Russia, Italy and Eastern Europe. Got it? ठीक है, clear है? So when we are talking about here birth rate and death rate, you all came to know. So birth rate, it was what? It was number of live births per thousand population. ठीक है, number of live births per thousand population. And death rate is what? Number of deaths per thousand population. ठीक है, so this is what? This is the birth rate and the death rate. Then comes the natural growth rate. Now, as I said you, this natural growth rate is the rate of natural increase or the growth rate of population. So this growth rate, natural growth rate, it can also be called as rate of natural increase, ठीक है, or it can be also called as growth rate of population. ठीक है, and what is this growth rate of population? Growth rate of population is nothing else but it is the difference between the birth rate and the death rates. Difference between the birth rate and the death rate. ठीक है, difference between the birth rate and the death rate. Now here a very important thing you have to say, note, and that is if the growth rate of population is zero or very small. What did I say? If the growth rate of population, it's saying that if the growth rate of population is very small or zero, then we can say that the population has stabilized or it has reached the replacement level, which is the rate of growth required for, ठीक है? That means if the growth rate of population is zero or very small, it means that the population has stabilized or reached the replacement level. ठीक है, or it has reached the replacement level. ठीक है, और replacement level क्या होता है? Replacement level is where you can say which is the rate of growth required for new generation to replace the older ones that are dying out. So replacement level is the rate of growth, you can say right here, it refers to the rate of growth required for the new generation. When I say new generation, it means the current generation. When the new generation required for the new generation to replace the existing or to replace the older ones generation that are dying out. ठीक है, that are dying out. And here it can say that sometimes there is a negative growth rate. ठीक है, that means if the growth rate is 0, remember if the growth rate is 0 or if it is very small, then it means population has stabilized and reached the replacement level. और replacement level क्या होता है? It refers to the rate of growth required for the new generation to replace the older generation that is dying out. Now here, one thing to be noted is that if the growth rate of population is negative, if the growth rate of population is negative, now if the growth rate is negative, it means that the replacement rate, or you can say that the replacement level is very less. That is, their fertility levels are below the replacement rate. ठीक है? This means that their fertility rate is below the replacement rate. Example, Japan, इंडोनेशिया, चाइना में भी था. ठीक है, जापान, इंडोनेशिया, चाइना, and even Italy, Eastern Europe, they are the ones. Eastern Europe, Italy, ये सब में तुम्हारा ये है. ठीक है, then comes the fertility rate. Now fertility rate, as you all know, that it is measured in live births among women aged 15 to 49. That means it is the reproductive age of the woman. So fertility rate refers to the number of live births per 1,000 women in childbearing age, usually taken 15 to 49 years. So this is the definition of fertility rate. So fertility rate is what? It is the number of live births per 1,000 women. And that too, the woman must be in a childbearing age group. And that childbearing age group is 59 to 49 years. 15 to 49 years. But like the other rates discussed on the previous page, that is, this is the crude rate. It is a rough average for an entire population and does not take into account the different across age groups. So this fertility rate, it is a crude rate, ठीक है, that is a rough average, ठीक है. This fertility rate is a crude rate, that is, it takes a rough average, ठीक है, it takes a rough average for an entire population, ठीक है. A rough average is taken for an entire population, ठीक है. और बोला जाता है it does not take into account the differences in fertility rate across various age groups. So here a question arises that this is a basically question कि why fertility rate is a crude rate, ठीक है. It is because it is taken as a rough average for the entire population. And I did say you that fertility rate, it is the number of live births per 1,000 women of the age group 15 to 49 years, ठीक है. So that is what, ठीक है. Then comes the infant mortality rate. This is the number of deaths of babies before the age of 1 year per 1,000 live births, ठीक है. So infant mortality rate, IMR, infant mortality rate, number of deaths of children before reaching the age of 1 years per 1,000 live births. This is infant mortality rate. Then comes the maternal mortality rate. It is the number of women who die in childbirth per 1 lakh live births, ठीक है. Infant mortality rate अलग होता है, ठीक है. It is with regard to the infant, that is a child, a baby before reaching the age of 1. How many babies die per 1,000 live births? And when I say maternal mortality rate, this is with regard to the death of women, ठीक है. That is number of women who die, ठीक है, number of women who die in childbirth. मतलब when they are giving birth to a child, then how many number of women die? And that is childbirth per 1 lakh live births. Per 1 lakh live births. That is what is, you can say, maternal mortality rate. Then after that we can say high rates of infant and maternal mortality are unambiguous indicator of backwardness and poverty. Development is accompanied by sharp fall in these rates as medical facilities and level of education, awareness and prosperity in. And another concept which is there, it is life expectancy. Now when I say life expectancy, then it is nothing else but life expectancy is the number of years a person is going to stay alive, ठीक है, या going to survive. Average person is expected to survive. So here please remember one thing, कि if infant mortality rate and maternal mortality rate are high, it means, ठीक है, there is backwardness and poverty. So backwardness and poverty are the indicators of high infant mortality rate and high maternal mortality rate. But if you want that the infant mortality rate and the maternal mortality rate have to fall, then one should remember that medical facilities should develop, level of education should develop, awareness and prosperity should increase. Then comes life expectancy. It refers to the estimated number of years that an average person is expected to survive. And it is calculated on the basis of data on age-specific death rates in a given area over a period of time. So please remember this life expectancy definition also you have to remember. ठीक है, life expectancy का definition, that is the estimated number of years that an average person is expected to survive. ठीक है, please remember this is the definition of life expectancy. और बोला जाता है लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी, हाउ इट इज कैलकुलेटेड. लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी इट इज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डेटा ऑन एज स्पेसिफिक डेथ रेट्स. मतलब इट इज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डेटा which we are getting with regard to age specific death rates in a given area over a period of time. So life expectancy calculated on the basis of data available for age specific death rates in a given area at a given time. So what is the age specific death rate? That means average किस एज में लोगों का ज्यादा डेथ हो जाता है. सो दैट इज व्हाट इज लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी. क्लियर एवरीवन?
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.